Only 2 places are left to be filled in the top 6 of the Wray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League play. This as a fourth team after a 1-0 win over Spanish Town Police at the Royal Lakes Field on Thursday.
Portmore United and Spanish Town Police with 2 different ambitions at different ends of the table. One looking to continue the recure their Premier League status. But it was Portmore who had their goal as the game was decided in the 63rd minute when Tariq Zimini scored to move them to 15 points, a place in the playoffs as they stayed on course for the last automatic semi-final spot. Portmore United ended the game with 10 players as Nicoy Gale picked up a second yellow in the 52nd minute, 6 minutes after being shown his first.
We did it the hard way, but we got it done regardless. We got a lot of chances in the first half and got a red card early in the second half, and you saw where they left from a low block, and came up to press us high, But we still got the chance that needed to win the game, and we did it.
Spanish Town Police remained rooted at the foot of the table on 24 points, 5 from safety, with 3 matches to play.
I fully agree with you today. This is what I've been asking for from the players. A more spirited performance today, more organized, more disciplined in terms of defense. Got a few look-ins, but unfortunately we didn't score. Unfortunately, mistake by a player, concede, and it's the result of the game.
Dumbeholden remain on course for a playoff berth with a 4-0 whipping of Harbourview, who are now in serious relegation trouble. Odain Samuels was responsible for Dumbeholden's win with a double strike, with his first coming in the 35th minute. And when Harbourview gave up a penalty in the 39th, Samuels there to pay for 2-0. Sakeen Powell killed off the game for the Stars of the East in the 71st minute when he made it 3-0. And substitute Marlon Allen scored 8 minutes after coming on to complete the rout in the 77th minute. Dumbeholden are now on 47 points. Harbourview are on 29 points, 4 away from the drop zone. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.
Meanwhile, at Sports Time, Treasury held a 1-0 lead over Waterhouse at half-time. Arnett Gardens were also leading defending champions Cavalier 1-0 in early first-half action, while Caribbean Cup champions Mount Pleasant were locked at 2-2 with Chapelton Maroons at half-time.